So hello guys, today we are going to design this card, this shopping cart design into HTML and CSS. So let's see how to create this. We will just begin with desktop view first, then we'll make that design responsive so that it looks like this in mobile. So let's create it with the HTML. Let's give it in as banner, and here there will be two part. One will be the left side for the desktop, last name left, and same like right. Here I will keep image. I open this with live server, and it is looking like this. Just give it some size, like 400 and let's give 400. And here there will be my title. So basically, I will divide in 40 to 60 ratio. So instead of giving, let's give initial height, but I will divide here dot left, right. This width will be 60% and this will be 40%. And here our title goes on right side. So I will copy this text and keep it in H1. If you see here, it's coming in the bottom. Let's use flags here for the banner. This no flags. Okay, let's give it 60 and 40 as here. Basically 50%. And also we will need the font K2D. So here let's search K2D font, and we will export the font value from here. That font, and I will need which font, the extra bold, which is 900 and semi bold, and this is another font that is enter. So this required is 900 only, 800. So we require only 800 from here. Let's copy code and add it here. Let's format it, and we're giving just h1 as a font family. Dot banner h1. This font family should be K2D. Here font weight should be 800. If you check the font size here, the font size is Font size is not given here. So 140 pixel, this cannot be the font size, I think. If I give it font size 140, this is very big. Okay, let's give it 130 pixel, and then our description will goes like this. Let's copy this. So let's keep it in p tag, and here our text will go as like here. Let's keep it in span like here. And this font summary should be enter. So let's get the font from here, enter. We'll get font from here, and here the required font is semi bold, which is 600 pixel, 600 weight, 600 weight. Okay, so we take here the 600 weight only. We'll reset and we'll record 600 ones only, and we'll copy this link as these two links are already there. So we'll just copy this only. And now we have kept here. Let's take this font family and apply in the subheading dot banner p. This font family should be like this, and if you check the font size, this font size is 23 pixel. But its font size should be 23 pixel. And if you check here, okay, this should be also enter family. So for that also, but banner and span same as like this. And this font family, the font size will be different. So let's font. Let's remove this font here and give another CSS declaration for it. This font family, let's check the font family of span. If you check its font family, this is 15 pixel. So this font size will be 15 pixel. So now our design is looking like this. And let's create these stars. Also one more thing. This very part is, so let's keep it in this one container so that we can wrap this all text in one container. For that, we will keep this in another container. Let's keep 15% info, and this should be in another container. Native person item, and therefore there will be two items in the title section, the left part and the right part. So in the title itself there will be two div, the first name but, and then last name. Right. The first one will goes in this, and the price $180.99, and the line name will goes on the right side. And here I will keep this related to the banner here. Not to banner, actually banner to left right. Let's give it another text. Right in the title text, and here is the price. So now if we check this, let's come like this. We have to move this to the right side. So for that, what we will do, I'll just reduce this line height also. For reducing this line height, just give this line height, this P, this P section line height should be 1. Okay, there is a margin I think. Let's remove the default styling by resetting the default styling. 0 and padding 0 and box sizing for a box. Let's format it. Now let's give some spacing to the P tag. So for that, we will just give the line height something. Line height 1.5 and we will make this title as display flex. So that go to the right side, justify content space between. Okay. So dot banner dot title display flex and justify content space between. And also let's give the right section as padding 40 pixel. Not looking like this for now. And this price should goes to the bottom. This alignment. So for that it comes alignment to this. So for that what we will do? So we'll just make it as line items, flags, and now it's aligned to this. And let's remove this line height and instead do margin top 20 pixel. Okay. And let's make the background as black. Body background should be black. And color should be white. And let's keep this image in center. For that we will make the display as flags, display flags, and just hide it in center and hide in center. So it's in center now. And uh, let's maintain its expectors use object feed content, right? And let's increase its height. Image height is proper. Okay. We are okay. We are working in this. So let's increase its height to 500 pixel. And now we have to give the sizes and the star as well. So let's first design the star. For that, the star will come down the title. So let's give the first name rating. And here I will do this as a span and plus minus star. And let's make the star with before and after. That star before and let's give the border. One more thing. Let's give the star as this position relative. What is star after and then blank and let's give the background as white, background as yellow, and if we order or pixel solid, if we check here, it's coming like this. So what we have to do, let's check here what's happening here. This before and after coming white color, background should be okay, background should be, there is no case of the background because we are making as with border, so let's give it in border color this like yellow, and now we will just make the star before border color coming. So we have to make basically a triangle here. Before that, what we will do, we will keep one side, okay, top and right, top right transparent, and rest will be yellow. Let's remove the border color from here. Let's make and invert this border for the after color. For after, we will just give this backward. So if you check here, okay, here, this blank will be round block. Now what star is like this, but what we have to do, we have to just overlap these two shapes so that it makes any star. So for that, what we will do, we will just use transform here, transform, and one more thing, I will give this position absolute, top 50%, left 50%, transform, absolute, minus 50% and minus 50%. And one more thing, what we have to do, we have just to make them rotate. So for that, what I will do, I will just rotate the after transform, transmute, and I will rotate it as 45 degree. So we will check here, it's coming like this. If I zoom this, so now okay, we have to use translate instead here. Make use of translate here. Translate in next direction, translate x. And if I give us 10 pixel for the before, basically I have to use from X and Y axis path. So there is minus 10 pixel and 10 pixel, and let's see what's happening. If I keep it's more near, and that's what's happening. We can see our star is building here. We're going to keep here and let's increase the border size as 8 pixel. You can see our star here. If I manage the position here, looks like it's being difficult here. Let's export the star as well, and let's export as PG. Let's remove this star, and instead of this I will use the image and the star dot slash star. Okay, and now we can see the star is coming here. So let's repeat for the 5 times here, and the 5 star is ready. And one more thing, there should be gap here. The gap is around 6 pixel. So for that, what we will do, I will just make the rating as display flex. Display flex and gap should be 6 pixel. So our star is ready, and this should be margin top from here. So for that, what we will do, there is gap of 42 pixel. So here the title margin bottom should be 42 pixel. So now the basic star is ready, and I have to move this Nike star in the one line. Okay, so I think this would be in one line for the desktop at least. And so for that, we'll just reduce the font size. Let's keep it in 80 pixel. Let's go to the top, and let's do the margin bottom. Okay, no problem. Let's keep it as like this. Okay, and now what I have to do, price is ready, and one more thing, this size should come here. So for that we will have to reduce the font size. Let's keep it as 100. and I will keep the size here. So for that we will just again require a div and the span and the bottom there will be numbers. And okay, let's create the size. So here on beneath the reading there will be the class name sizes, and here will be another span which will take the size, and again in this will be a div and then will be a span, and here will be numbers 7, 7.5, 8 and 9. 7, 7.5, 8 and 9. And the size, if you check the size here, the size is 15 to 15. So for that we will give this sizes is just this one number, that size is dot number, span, the height will be 50 pixel and width will be 50 pixel, and the background should be white. And here I will give the streaks range 0, and if you check the gap here, this is 10 pixel. So dot sizes number, this websites, and that should be 10 pixel, right? And color will be black. Color will be black. For the keep it as black and keep it in center. So for that we will just make it as no flags. Display in name flags. Just right in right center and one items center, and give its font weight 700. If you check its font size is 20 pixel. Font size is 20 pixel and font family is K2D. So for that we will just copy this font and apply it here as well. So now let's do the margin here. So for that let's check the spacing first. So the spacing here, if you check, this is 32 pixel. So the rating margin bottom should be 42 pixel. So yeah, and give the spacing here as well. So for that let's check the spacing first. The spacing is 10 pixel. So number margin down should be 10 pixel. So if you check here, it's looking fine, and we have to make it rounded. For that let's keep border radius. Border radius should be, if we check here, border radius is not given here. Radius, we check radius, we're not able to find here. So let's keep this border radius as 8 pixel. Border radius 8 pixel. Now it's looking fine. And the first one or active one should be yellow. For that, for third function was active. So number dot active should be yellow. So dot number dot size is dot number span Span.active will be background value. Subject is yellow. Now what I have to do? One more thing. This part is remaining here. So for that, let's take another div and take left part and right part for the color and buy button. So here I will give as plus name city, and here will be one part will name as color, the plus name colors, and another one will be buy button. So let's give the span same like this. So we are copying this sizes option. Then the colors, and the color will be yellow, white, and green. So we will require three items. Let's remove the number from here. Let's format it. So colors div span another type one should be background as yellow, white, and green. So the first one will be yellow, second one will be white, and third one will be, let's check the color from here. So if you check the color, you can copy color code from here and keep the color code here. And let's use the size. If you check the size here, the size is 20 into 20 pixel. The height will be 20 pixel and width should be 20 pixel, and display should be in block to apply height and width. So only one item is visible. Let's check why the item is not visible. So if you check the another item, div span. Okay. Right here, change the selector 2 and 3. Now it's coming. Now we have to make it circular and also give it spacing as 20 pixel. So for that, colors div margin top will be 20 pixel, margin top will be 20 pixel, and its border radius will be 50%, and gap will be, let's check the gap here. If you check the gap between the colors is 10 pixel. If you check here, it's 10 pixel. And one more thing, we have to give the spacing from this, it will be 36 pixel. So for the sizes, from sizes to color, spacing is 36 pixel. So if you check here, so if you check here, it is 36 pixel. So for the number, margin bottom will be 36 pixel. Margin bottom will be 36 pixel. Now if you check, it's looking fine. One more thing, we have to provide the button for the buy. but by option. So this we check the size here. It's height 79 means 80 pixel and 132 pixel. So if we give the button dot by height is 80 pixel and mirror should be 132 pixel, background will be yellow, and here I will just add a button. Just format it. Now the button is coming here. 79 132 pixel and its font size is K2D semi bold and font size is 30 pixel. So font size will be 30 pixel and family should be font family will be K2D. This, let's copy this font and apply this here, and its border radius, let's check the border radius. If you check the border radius, it's 20 pixel. So border radius should be 20 pixel. If you check over, and let's make this as display flex. So for that, the CTA option should be CTA div should be display flex. So let's keep dot CTA as display flex, and the spacing should be, if you check the gap here, it should be 178 pixel, but instead of that we will just make this justify content space breadcrumb. If you check here, our design is ready for now. And one more thing, we have to give the option here to change the source color. So, and one more thing, we have to give the icon here. Okay, so on the left part or on the header part, let's create a header here, header, and here come the image src dot slash, and it will be logo. Here we have like icons, and if you check the font's size here, the width will be 47 and height will be 20. So 20 and 47, height will be 20 and it will be, let's say, 48 pixel. If you check now here, and also one more thing, we have towards padding. Let's give the padding number also. I should have padding as, let's give it 40 pixel. And one more thing, we can make it as position absolute. Okay. One more thing, we have to give the provide the icon here, provide the option here to change the color. So for that, we will just make a position absolute, and for that, we will keep in this left section. For that, let's give class name option, and here there will be two colors. We have images, the black one, and then we, let's check how much images we have. So we have in this two to four images we have. So we'll keep it four black, gray, yellow, and black, yellow, and white. Let's give the height. Here I will give height as it's a 50 pixel. And also let's give the 60 pixel. Instead of here, I will just manage from here. Dot options using height 60 pixel and width 60 pixel. And I will make a display flex and flex direction column. Dot options, let's display flex direction column. So it's coming like this, and let's give its position to from left. I will try to give it as 30 pixel. Okay, one more thing, we have to make it left as position relative. Now if okay, so this will be position absolute. Dot options, this would be position absolute, and the left will be 0. Let's give it as left 10 pixel, mouse line and double link. Now what we have to do, we have to give as make it as a button. For that, what we can do, you'll give them as a background. Let's keep it as background as a little dark. And to make its border radius as 1 pixel. And here we'll keep the gap as 10 pixel. Okay. And the cursor should be pointer. Now one more thing what I have to do, whenever I click, this source should be changed. So for that, let's do this. So I will select all this source option, and I will go by script. First options is going to document.query selector all dot options img, and here on options dot on click options dot orange img. Here I will set this source value. So let's give it as class name as thumbnail, and I would like to change the its src from here. Document.query selector dot thumbnail dot src dot set attribute src. I will I will get this image where the option image. We will keep the src of option image, and I will set this src into the thumbnail src. So here get attribute src. So let's see if I click in here, not happening. So let's check the console. Okay, yeah, I will have to keep in on click of this img dot on click. Now it should work. If I click on this, uh, source is being changed. So one more thing, what we have to do, we just get the margin here so that it comes to the left. So for that, I will just give the left as gap. We can gap will not work, I think, as we can check here. This is the left box, and this is option. This is thumbnail. So for that, I will have to keep a margin left. It's 30 pixels. But this hole is coming here. So skip this part. Instead of this, I will try the gap option. Like the gap is 30 pixels, it's not working. So what we can do here, if we can increase its width here, 600 pixels. Not this. I will have to change this thing. I will change this width to the 600 pixel. Still not sharpening. So to make the center, what we can do is justify content center, find item center. Justify content we can try as end. Next end. Okay, not working. If you will please, what we can do here, if we give this as margin left, we can give this margin left as 80 pixel or thumbnail. So I'll try it out thumbnail and its margin left should be 80 pixel. Right. Now design is ready. Now there should be one more thing. But we can do if we are hovering on it, it should scale. For that, let's on try to make it transform scale 1.2, and here I will do transition of 0.3s, and if you hover, its size will increase. So yeah, our design is ready. Yeah, thanks for watching.